Hello, in today's video we'll be replacing the cabin filter on a 2010 Dodge Avenger. And this vehicle's cabin filter, like on many vehicles, is located behind the glove box. So the first thing you want to do is open the glove box and press in on both sides. This will help you clear the tabs that are located on each side so that the glove box can drop down further. And the last thing we gotta disconnect is the damper string. And to do so, all you gotta do is pull down and push out on this little piece. You have a lot more room if you remove the glove box completely. And all it is pulling back on it so it disconnects from these two tabs. And this is where you will find the damper string, so when you go to put everything back together. And now to remove the cabin filter. You want to press in on this tab and pull out on the cover. And do the same on this other side. And you can now pull out the cabin filter. I'm not sure this cabin filter has ever been replaced, but you do not want to wait this long to replace it. Having a filter that's this dirty will reduce the airflow with your AC, and it'll give your interior cabin a foul odor. And we can now go ahead and install a new cabin filter. And you want to install it with the airflow arrow facing down. And you just want to slide the filter in place and pop the cover back on. And we can now reinstall the glove box and put the damper string back on. And that just about does it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by hitting that like button.